All right, so I went to court the other day. We tried to fight those charges in Ocean. They were again the stealing from Target scooters and having some plant medicine in my pocket when doing it and getting stopped and then being arrested for both. There's also a few other ones that I thought they dismissed the charges, but I guess because that came up, they brought the charges back in. But I only had a I was only like facing those two charges, and that's if I pled guilty to those two charges. If not, I had a slew of charges in front of me from other things from last year and the year before that I thought they were either they were brought down to like a penalty and that's it. But they added them in there so that if I decided to like plead not guilty, all of the other charges I would be facing, and all that would accumulate to a lot of time in a cage, right? So like anything, you don't have a lawyer, you can't afford a lawyer. So what ended up happening was that I was intimidated into pleading guilty for those charges. Now those two charges, these three charges, got me a total of owing the South Ocean Township Municipal Court $2,600 that I get to pay $50 a month for. So, the only thing is something else that the judge said to me, and I'm gonna let you hear some recording of I sometimes I forget. I have to get embarrassed when it's a neurological condition. I forget, so I like to record things that I need to like listen to to make sure that I remember everything about it. So I put the recorder on the phone. Nothing said, no sign saying you can't record this, so I'm assuming that I had no problem recording it, and now I'm going to show it to share it with the world because it just shows how like kind of like I don't know, mafia like these court systems are. Right? I was told that I had two counts of stealing twice from Target, right? 2 counts. They weren't going to give me any jail time this time for stealing 2 scooters that they got back. They got back, and it's not like they got them both back. It's not like they and one I freely gave back, and the other one when they caught me walking out with it, so they got it back. The judge said to me, and you'll be hearing it on the recorded, and I didn't modify this recording whatsoever. I actually did put in a video that I'm uploading right now that has some music behind it, but I wanted to redo it and put it on, the raw version, just in case you think I modified anything. But I didn't. Judge says to me after like reading each one, $500 here, $500 discount, $500. He said to me, "This is your second theft now. In my life, I've never stolen anything other than up to this point. I did it now because I needed man. I had a car, 2 bikes, 2 scooters stolen from me. I get to walk everywhere. I'm on disability. I get to walk everywhere because I can't afford anything else now." He said to me, if you come in front of my court one more time, you're gonna spend 30 days in county for the 3rd count of shoplifting. And that's after still paying them $2,600 in fines for doing it. Because we don't want to see people, you don't want to see the corporations being ripped off, right? Because you again, the court system supports money, and it protects money, it doesn't protect us. Shit about us. So I don't spend too much time on this, 4 minutes. So now you're going to listen to, and again, how does the judge have the nerve to tell me that he has the right to put me into a cage because I had the necessity of stealing something that is way too expensive and that was stolen from me numerous times? And I try to explain this to the judge. Judge, Your Honor, I have a lot of stuff stolen from me, and the police didn't do anything for them. I mean, I had all this a lot of stuff stolen from me, and the police did absolutely nothing, zero for me. Yet, 2 scooters stolen from Target, that's a big deal, you know what I mean? And so they make sure they find out who's stealing those scooters and make sure that they pay. So again, Who do the court systems support, protect, and the security guards, police officers protect? Money. They don't protect us. They don't give a fuck about us. That's why tribal courts didn't need a court system. Yeah, because they had no money. Because with the lack of there being money in a society, right? You don't need anything to protect that money. And all the courts do, and all the police do, is protect money. You don't believe me? Try it. Look at every one of those things. Look at them, and you see. They protect money because it's money that walks out of that courtroom. Going like, hey, I won. Every time. Every time, money wins. One way or the other, money wins. Money has never lost in court. You know why? Because money is the thing that you all need to live. Money is the thing that the world class has convinced you is more important than human life and planetary life. And money is the thing that's you're gonna chase to your grave. And jump in that grave, and money's not gonna come in there. It's gonna be waiting for the next fool to be born to take to that grave. Remember that. So, so here is the audio of the and I didn't nobody else's. I only did mine. Of my stint with the Ocean Township Police Department municipal court, and how I got to speak my mind and say my say. You see how much I get to say, right? That judge, that now I charged me $2,600 to arrest me, and then now finally convict me, because I'm proven innocent. I'm innocent until proven guilty, right? No, not really. You're guilty until they say you're not guilty, and then when you have to plead yourself guilty, then they say plead. That's kidnapping. That's extortion. These court systems are no worse than the mobsters that you watch. Sopranos that you watch on TV and you go, yeah, go Sopranos, go Mafia, go. So
Giovanni Uster.
yes, sir.
Oh, you've got a whole policy.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see which one this one is. This is S 2022-517. On my understanding on this one, you are pleading guilty to shoplifting from Target. Is that correct?
Yes.
You're entering that plea voluntarily and of your own free will.
Yes.
You waive your right to an attorney, waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Do we have a criminal history on here?
It may be in one of the files, Your Honor, it is on this one.
853.
As I said, on 517. $10 community service, fine is $500, $33 cost, $50 VCCB, $75 safe neighborhood. That is this one. Next one. Is S22-496. On this one, you're pleading guilty to fair dispose of a controlled dangerous substance, and you're pleading guilty to shoplifting.
Right. So there was only one count of the CDC because I was basically, it's two charges. One buying a scooter a few months back, and one a scooter in August. So like March and then August. One of them I had a CDC.
This is November 1st, 2022.
Right. That's fine. One of them I had a CDC. The other one I did not. I should not be charged a drug charge for the first scooter, because that first scooter.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
This one you're charged with possession of a rock, the white cocaine is
That's the
sent
first.
back as a failure to dispose. The second charge is charged with shoplifting of an electric scooter.
Right. And the other one. So there's one.
Let me just
Okay.
go on this one. That's what I'm doing. This happened on November 1st.
Right.
And to this one you're pleading guilty as well, correct?
Right. But there was only one drug charge though.
The other one was
Was only a scooter charge. Only a shoplifting charge.
this.
125. Please enter the meeting passcode followed by the pound sign.
On this summons number 496, there were three charges. First one was possession of crack cocaine, remanded as failure to dispose. Second one was shoplifting of a scooter. Third one was a glass pipe. Prosecutor is dismissing the glass pipe. You're pleading guilty to the shoplifting, and you're pleading guilty to the failure to dispose of the narcotic.
Right. That's
Okay.
one. And then the other one, it should only be a scooter that I stole. That was the red scooter, the one back in.
Two drug charges.
Well, why? The first one they didn't. Okay, I got you. All right. Yes, sir. Okay.
You waive your right to an attorney, waive your right to a trial. Is that
Yeah.
all correct?
Yeah.
It's your second shoplifting now.
I've been homeless now for about 2 years. I've lost a house,
Stop.
a girlfriend.
Stop.
Stop.
$500 fine, $33 cost, $50 VCCB, $75 safe neighborhood, 15 days community service. On the drug charge, $500 fine, $33 cost, $50 VCCB, $75 safe neighborhood. And then we get to S 2022-495, which is a shoplifting charge, another scooter which is being dismissed. Next one, I'm not expunged because there's others. No expungement. Next one is E22-1294, which is charging you with a driving while suspended.
That's not me. I've never done
One
one.
second. No, operation of a motor vehicle while in possession of narcotics, that's being dismissed. Then we have number 93, that's being dismissed. And we have 92, which is being dismissed. Then we have S22-157, which is a plea of guilty to the failure to dispose of narcotic. And the other two charges are dismissed. $500 fine, $33 cost, $50 VCCB, $75 safe neighborhood. Do we have a criminal history on him?
You just gave it to me.
'Cause I gotta make sure he had to be DNA swab.
You got it on it.
Gotta see if there's DNA on it. Yep, DNA is already there. Alright, what are we gonna do about all these fines?
I'm homeless. I'm a disability living in a behind ShopRite. There's a tent city. That's where I live. So I got a little bit of disability money coming in once a month. That's all I have. So what I $50 a month, I can swing. Other than that, I'm barely making it.
$50 a month is something.
Okay.
50 a month. Do understand, if you get caught again and before me, you'll have a place to sleep. It'll be called the Monmouth County Correctional Institution.
Great. Thank you so much. We done?
Okay. We'll go next door, you gotta come paperwork.
Okay. Wait, next door where? Front?
Right?
Can I go through here?
Doors.
Ready with something?
These?
Yes.
Got it. Thank you.